Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin addressing BIOS issues on your Lenovo E14, the first step is to gather the necessary tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean, flat workspace. Make sure you have a USB drive ready, as we may need it for BIOS updates. Start by powering off your laptop completely. Disconnect the power adapter and remove the battery if applicable. Now, locate the small access panel on the bottom of the device secured by screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, placing them in a safe spot for reassembly later. Once you've removed the access panel, gently clean any dust or debris inside using compressed air. This step is crucial as overheating can lead to BIOS-related issues. Now, locate the CMOS battery. If your BIOS is not holding settings, replacing this battery may resolve the problem. Remember, if you feel uncomfortable performing this task, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, if you're experiencing boot issues, it may be necessary to reset the BIOS settings. To do this, locate the BIOS jumper on the motherboard. Refer to your user manual for the exact location. Usually, you will need to move the jumper from the default position to the reset position for a few seconds. After that, return it to the original position. If you're unsure about this step, don't hesitate to reach out to us for a quote before repair. Now, reconnect the CMOS battery and replace the access panel. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. At this point, it's important to check if your laptop powers on correctly. If you encounter further issues, consider updating the BIOS. To do this, you'll need a USB drive with the latest BIOS firmware downloaded from Lenovo's support website. Insert the USB drive into a working computer and follow the instructions provided on the website to create a bootable drive. Once you have the bootable USB ready, insert it into your Lenovo E14. Power on the laptop and press the appropriate key to enter the boot menu. This key is usually F12 or Escape, depending on your model. Select the USB drive as the boot device. Follow the on-screen instructions to update the BIOS. Make sure to read each prompt carefully. This process can take several minutes, and it's critical not to interrupt it. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about any of these steps, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get the help you need without any hassle. No calls, no travel required. After the BIOS update completes, your laptop should restart automatically. If it still does not boot correctly, there may be a deeper issue at play. In that case, we recommend contacting us for further assistance. Our team can provide you with a quote before repair to ensure you know the costs involved. In summary, troubleshooting BIOS issues on your Lenovo E14 involves careful handling and a few basic tools. Always remember to keep your workspace clean and organized to prevent any accidental damage. If you're ever in doubt, our services are here to help you get back on track with minimal effort. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.